newest spokesman for New Life Puppets. This is Chatter. Ta-da! You want me to say something? Because, I can say something because I'm really good at saying something if you want me to. But if you don't want me to, you won't. But I am pretty good at talking. Yes, you are. That's why you got the position. Now, I would like you to explain what New Life Puppets does. Okay. I got it. Okay, good. I got it. NLT means New Life Puppets. Okay. So, we rescue discarded stuffed animals, uh-huh, and give them new life as puppets. Many are adopted into new homes and work with the ventriloquists and puppeteers and people with tender hearts. Pretty cool, huh? Okay. Some stuffies are donated to New Life Puppets. Like this new rifle behind me. Uh-huh. NLT rescued and gave them new life years long ago. So he got new life long ago? Yeah, because he was a stuffy and then he was a puppet and now okay. He ended up neglected and abused and thrown aside. Eventually, the owner gave him up at a thrift store in hopes someone might adopt him. Well, someone did, and they donated him to New Life Puppets for another new life. No, that's pretty good. Okay. And this is where it really, this is where it really gets cool. His mouth will be reconstructed by our staff surgeon as well as getting a full physical, getting disinfected and deodorized through our cleaning process. New Life Puppets also provides speech therapy, uh-huh, and owner training if necessary. Well, cool. All rescues will receive clothing if they desire. I couldn't help the hat and the bow tie. And the how in the world did you get like this? Washing machine. A washing machine? Somebody put you in a washing machine? Yeah. Wow. How did you end up needing a bath in the first place? Rolled in garbage. It felt good. Really? They kicked me outside in the rain. In the rain? Well, that's astonishing. But the mud was fun, though. The mud was fun. And I could slide. And I could go upside down. It was sweet. Oh no. So you were really dirty and stinky. And then they put me in the bathtub. Oh, humiliating. Well, it doesn't sound too bad to me. It was hot. And it made me stink. And the more I stunk, the grumpier they got. So then they dragged me to the washing machine and turned it on. Soap and water. They said I smelled like a wet dog. Well, did you? I don't know. I thought I smelled okay. They washed me 3 times. I was a sorry doggy. I shook all that water off, and they took me, when they took me out, and you know what they liked?
making it all warm and fuzzy. So, didn't they read the How to Take Care of Your New Life Puppet informational slip? I don't think they could read. What a traumatic experience. Especially when I can't talk and I can't eat and I can't have dog treats or hot chocolate. My mouth is a mess. Next thing I know, I found myself in the back of a thrift store being tossed around like dirty laundry. Oh, I ended up on the store shelf where the kids made fun of me. I said,
New life puppets. Their mission. What's it say? I can't read that. What's it say? Oh, I got it. I got it. Okay. I got it. Okay. New Life Puppets' mission is to give New Life the stuffies that fit the criteria. In other words, they gotta be large enough to convert and small enough for people to handle. They must be in decent condition because euthanasia is not our desire. Now, okay. New Life Puppets currently has over 100 rescues waiting for adoption. There are different sizes and different kinds of stuffies. New Life Puppets has many stuffies waiting to be converted. So maybe there's one just for you. Now there's an adoption fee and shipping charges just as affordable as we can make it. So what you need to do is at the end of this video, you'll see the eBay address and then the I thought you could talk. I can't. Okay. Please go to the end of this video and look for the eBay address and the Facebook address and adopt somebody. This is one of the coolest things I have ever seen, and I am a penguin. Kind of.